Assalamualaikum, நான் உங்கள் தஸ்னீம். நான் இன்றைக்கு வந்திருக்கிற இடம் வந்து துபாயில் பிலிப்பீன்ஸ் நிற்கிற இடம். அவங்க வந்து ஒரு அந்த காணிவில் மாதிரி போடுவாங்க ஒரு இடத்துல. அதில் அவங்களோட ஃபுட்டு, அவங்களோட ஷாப்பிங், அந்த சேல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த இடத்துல அவங்களுக்கு ஆட போகிறது.
For overall. Everybody can join during the audition process, but on the semifinals and quarterfinals, we'll be having the kids and the adults division. So kids division will be from 16 years old rather and below, and then adults 17 and above. And then during the grand finale, the best of the best will compete. Of course, we're giving away 15,000 dirhams.
Kailangan namin iwalay para hindi po mahirapan yung part ng adult, hindi mahirapan yung para sa child.
Exactly. So that we can
yan ang maganda.
But of course, the grand finals, this is kids versus adults.
Yan.
Adults versus kids.
Yan.
Best of the best.
Yes.
5 minutes.
Who's the best and who is fit to win 15,000 dirhams. By the way, kinakanyaya ko kayo in behalf of the Consulate of the Philippines and Philippine Embassy po. This coming December 19, magkita-kita tayo sa Consulate and we'll be having some giveaways. Maagang pamaskong handog po ng ating embahada at ating konsulada. And then this is brought to you also by Virgin Mall. So I will be here, I'll be hosting that. So if ever po you are within the premises or you're free, marami po tayong papamigay brought to you by Virgin Mall and of course the Consulate of the Philippines.
Wonderful. That's what I like about Master PG. Kumakarera kung
No, because
saan.
you know, even when I was in Bahrain, I was liaising with the embassy also. So it's nice to give back to the community, especially ngayong Christmas, di ba?
Exactly.
Iparamdam natin ang Pasko ng Pilipinas kahit na hindi tayo sa Pilipinas.
Tom